In the previous video, I shared with you how all or nothing mindset is a cognitive distortion that prevents you from growing, adapting, or even enjoying life because nothing and no one is perfect. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a few steps that you can use to work your way out of that mindset. So let's get started. Hey, welcome or welcome back. Before I begin, let me tell you that if you need any help in applying what I share with you in this video or any of the previous videos, do not hesitate to reach out to me. My intention in sharing this week on week is to empower you to help yourself. So, if you reflected on the behavior that I spoke about in my previous video and you do notice that you have the all or nothing mindset, then these are the things that you can do to get over that habit. It is a habit, by the way. When you keep inventing excuses to get out of doing something that is in your plate and you do that repeatedly, it tends to become a habit, right? So what can you do to get out of this habit? One, you stop the thought. Stop telling yourself that you're an all or nothing kind of a person and stop believing that you are. Two, you observe the words. Words, sentences, or phrases that you're using which indicate you have an all or nothing mindset. Words such as always, never, impossible, perfect, or ruined. See if you can recognize any of these ways of thinking in yourself. 3. You replace these words with inclusive words. For example, instead of saying all or nothing, how about saying all and nothing? And is such an inclusive word, so use inclusive words in your vocabulary. 4. You learn more about yourself, which means you need to know what makes you tick. Knowing about your strengths, weaknesses, or your emotional hot buttons can give you a huge boost to your self-esteem and self-confidence. 5. You journal your thoughts. This is so simple yet so powerful that it's almost unbelievable. Writing down your thoughts can actually spare you from self-limiting beliefs. And I'll speak more on this in my upcoming video. And 6, you create short goals. Sometimes the self-set goals can really overwhelm us. So instead of creating long, large goals, why don't you create short goals that are achievable? This can also help you lower your stress levels. I've created a playlist on goal setting that you can access to help you in this. So there you are. Those are the 6 simple steps that you can work your way out of an all or nothing mindset. Let me quickly recap them for you. That's it for today. What do you think of this list? Do let me know in the comment section below, or you may reach out to me in any of the social media platforms that I'm in. Thank you so very much. If you like this video, you know what to do. Hit the like button, share it with your friends, and I'll see you next week. Until then, stay home, stay safe.